You guys, the day finally came. I'm sorry that was really dramatic. But anyway, I'm sure you can tell by the title, this is all about my FabFitFun unboxing. This is the fall 2018 box. I am very impressed with myself that I said FabFitFun without messing up. I don't know about you, but that's something just, it's hard for me to say, not gonna lie. Anyway, I don't wanna make this intro super long because I was very, very excited to see what I got in my fall box. So I hope that you're excited to see what I got as well. But before I get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe. I post every Monday, Friday. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hopefully it's not too dark to be filming right now. Normally I try to film a little bit earlier when the sun's brighter, but I just got my package like about an hour ago and there's no way that I could wait till tomorrow to see what's in it. So I'm like real excited. This is the third season that I've gotten FabFitFun. If you're not sure what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box. It's $50 a month. I was able to get my first one for $40. There are a lot of coupon codes out there. So I'm not sure if it's your first time, you automatically get it for $40. But regardless, even if you can't get that $50, it's a great deal because you get a lot of products. So I'm really excited to see what I got in this season and the fall season. As you can tell, I tried to wear fall colors and kind of go with the theme, even though Florida is not accepting that it's almost fall. One thing that I was a little irritated about, I actually haven't watched any, I wasn't irritated about this, I haven't watched any of the FabFitFun unboxing because I wanted to be completely like shocked and I have no idea what is in this box. Normally I was able to, the past couple times I was able to pick two of my items. I'm not sure if I just missed the email. It's very possible that I did, but I didn't actually get to pick those items. I have no idea what's in this fall box, so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get into this because I don't think I can wait any longer. So let me just try to kind of show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like whenever you first open it up. It's very nicely packaged. First thing I see here is an umbrella. Definitely rains a lot here, and actually, so I try to keep an umbrella in my car and then just keep an umbrella in the house. So if it's raining outside, I don't have to get wet. You know, I want to leave one. Also want to leave one in the car because you never know whenever it's going to rain. But I actually misplaced my second umbrella. So this is really nice. This is like, I like the small umbrellas like this. It is from the brand Catherine. This, I'm not going to try to pronounce her last name because I'm going to butcher that. And it has like a little sleeve that it comes in. Looks very cute, nice, compact. I like white and black. That's very classy, classic. I really like this. This is the first thing that I got. Okay, so now that I'm kind of like looking at these things, I do remember seeing something about possibly getting a French press. Okay, let me back it up. I remember seeing a couple of like the samples that like your possibilities, but I just never remember seeing that email where I could like pick what I wanted. But they haven't let me down so far, so I don't think that I will be disappointed. Except for the next thing I see here is this beauty blender, and I actually have tried beauty blenders before, and I didn't really like the application, but that was a year or two ago, so I will definitely give this a try again. You know, I might like it. The next thing that I see is this Blue and Capri shower gel by the brand Skin & Co. Let's see what it smells like. Honestly, I like it. It smells clean, but there's not a way of me describing how this smells. Also, another thing, you get a newsletter, and then you also like get to know about the products as well, and it tells you how much each thing costs. Because why I said that this is definitely, sorry for changing the camera, why I said that this is definitely worth the $50 is because you get a lot of things that you wouldn't normally try, but I greatly am glad that I did get in the FabFitFun because I normally wouldn't just purchase it because I have gotten like skin masks and things like that that are pretty pricey back in my first couple boxes, and I definitely would have never bought them. So far I have showed you the beauty blender, that is $20. I knew that price already. And then this shower gel is $22, so that's kind of interesting. I definitely will use this. This actually looks to be a little bit thinner than shower gel that I would think. I like this scent, but I probably would, like for example, I would not spend $22 on, especially this size. It's only 7.7 fluid ounces. I would never spend $22 on this shower gel, but like I'm glad that I have it. I'm glad that it came in the box. You hear what I'm saying? The umbrella, let's see, how much was the umbrella? The umbrella was $39.99, so that's kind of pricey, I think, for an umbrella personally, but I had the other one that I'm using right now is actually from Target, and I had it back when I was in school, so I've had it probably for at least 4 years, and it's still going strong, and it's a really good quality one, so I am glad that I have that backup. That makes me really happy. Okay, so next thing that I see in here that I'm super excited to try are these Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. And you get 2 of them, so that's nice. They are $18, which that is very pricey for bubble masks, but I have heard good things about Glam Glow. I don't think I've tried any of their products, so I'm sure it's going to be great quality. Okay, cool. So I love sheet masks and just masks in general. I like skincare. I like to try to take care of my skin, so I'm very, very happy to have these. The next thing that you see in here or that I see, I'm sorry, you can't see, I'm just like grabbing this out of this box, is this Grown Alchemist. I will take it out of the box, but I'm just gonna read this to you. It's a polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit. So this looks I'm very intrigued. Ooh, this is okay, and another thing that I wanna mention is you get full-size products in the FabFitFun box. With my Ipsy box, which it's not a box, it's a bag, that's my other subscription that I get. It's monthly, and you get trial size. Products, but it's only $10 a month, so it's worth it to me. But this is definitely a good size product. This is what the tube looks like, and you get 2.53 fluid ounces. It's a polishing facial exfoliant, which I already said that, but I guess it's going to be kind of like an exfoliator for your skin. Excited to try this. I have never heard of this brand. Actually, I don't want to open the tube, but I haven't heard of this brand. But how much are you normally? Ooh, whoa, this is expensive. This is expensive. This is $67. Well, okay, Grown Alchemist. If you're interested, I will try to kind of update you, especially on like the skincare things that I've gotten so far, because I've never tried them, obviously, so I'm not sure how they're gonna be. But like this alone is worth more than the box. So for example, you definitely get your money's worth with the FabFitFun, so I'd really, really highly recommend it. Even if you would just want to do it for a season, which is what I initially thought I was gonna be, I was like, yeah, I was very intrigued, and I said to myself, like, for $40, I can definitely try this out. Not that I talk to myself, but I mean, who doesn't? You know what I'm saying? For $40, I can definitely try this out. Even if you can't get that code for $50, I would definitely recommend you trying it out. I think that you get great products, and I have not been disappointed so far. The next thing that I see is a granola bar. It's a Luna, actually I'm not sure if this is granola bar, but this is a salted caramel nut Luna Rica cashew butter fruit and nut bar. It was very long and wordy, but it looks like this. It doesn't have the cost of this because you only get one, but I really like bars like this, especially if I don't have time for breakfast. I have to eat in the morning, so having something like this is really good. And I like cashew butter, so I'm sure that this will be good. The next thing that I'm very excited to try, ooh, okay, so this is a towel. This is $14.99. Oh, okay, it's a kitchen towel. $14.99. Looks like you get 2 of them. I love this print. This is super, super cute. Very muted, looks to be good quality. I really like gray and white, and this is gray and white, so I'm very excited about this. So this will just be a nice addition. It is from the brand Simply Whimsical. I'm pretty sure I already said that, so I'm very happy about that as well. Okay, so the next thing over here that I see is, oh, it's a brush set. Okay, cool. Comes in this package. You open that up, and this brush set is $75. Well, okay then. Oh, and it looks like it comes in a roll as well. Yeah, this comes in okay, it's from the brand Crown, and it comes in this really nice travel-friendly roll, and then the brushes, you get 4 eye brushes, and then you get 2 face brushes, so 6 brushes total, and it looks like this. This is very exciting. I don't think I have really heard about the brand Crown, and I've definitely never purchased anything from this brand, but I'm very, very, very intrigued by this. Let's see how soft they are. So it looks like you get kind of, this is like an all-over face powder brush. Oh yes, 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 yes. This is great quality. Okay, I kind of see why this is $75, especially because you get 6. If you get 6 good quality brushes, which is what this seems like, definitely worth it. And it comes in the brush roll, which is really, really nice. I really like that. Another brush that I'm excited to see, because I don't have a brush like this. Well, I have a straight across flat one, but I have misplaced that anyway. But this is an angled one. It's like for eyeliner, but also since I don't wear eyeliner, I think that this will be really good for applying eyeshadow, like on the eyeshadow underneath. And yeah, like this is great quality. You also get, this is the other face brush. It looks like you can use it for contour or blush probably more for contour. It's a little bit smaller than the one that I normally use. I will definitely try this out after I wash them. Also, something to mention, it comes with 6 brushes, but there are 2 additional slots right here, so you could fit 8. So that's really nice, especially for traveling, you know, so you can bring other brushes with you as well. It also comes with this all over lid one. They don't have names, it doesn't look like, but also it has this nice little grip. This nice little grip right here. I hope you can see that for where you can hold it. This is just, I'm very excited about this, and I like that this is really big for all over the lid. The next eye brush, you get a blending brush. It's always good to have blending brushes. I have 2 that I use right now, but you can never really have too many, I don't think, especially because that way you don't have to wash them as often. This one looks to be pretty fluffy, I would say. The next one, this is actually the last one, is this shader brush. It looks like as well. You might be able to apply concealer with this, but personally I don't like applying concealer with this type of brush. My only thing is these brushes do look very similar. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky, but this one looks like it's gonna be more, yeah, it's a little bit stiffer. So it will apply eyeshadow differently. Also, even if you just use these for eyeshadow all over the lid, just like standard shader brushes, I feel like it's good to have a lot of, not a lot, but just different options to be able to use so you don't have to constantly wash the same brush. If you wear eyeshadow as often as I do, at least I wear it almost every single day. So I'm very excited about that. That was $75, that's a little crazy. The next thing that I see here that I'm intrigued to try is from the brand Pharmacy. It comes in this little box. Okay, cool, focus. It says it is an eye cream. Ooh, that's good. I actually am running very low on my current eye cream. I'm trying not to rip the box, which I don't know why. So I'm gonna throw this away. Anyway, I'm running really low on my eye cream, so yay. Ooh, comes in a really cute bottle as well. It looks like this. The lid's kind of like a bamboo top. This is $38. Not overly pricey for an eye cream, but a little bit more expensive than what I personally like to spend. It doesn't have a scent, which is honestly kind of nice, and it's not too thick. It just has like this consistency. Okay, cool. Yeah, it definitely seems like it will be moisturizing, which is good because I have oily skin, but I still definitely want to moisturize the under eye area. So it seems like it's going to be like a really nice consistency. So I'm super excited about this, and I like that the container comes in. It seems very sturdy, good quality. And then I think, yeah, this is the last thing. I actually got a French press, and what I like is right here it says but first coffee, because yes, I agree with that. It's from the brand Alfred, and the box looks like this. You either got a teapot or a French press, and it's as if they knew that I drink coffee every single day. I would use the teapot, but I would definitely use this more often. I usually just make my coffee with a coffee maker, but I mean, I'll give this French press thingy a try. Comes all nice and wrapped up. Oh yes, I love, okay. First of all, this is just aesthetically pleasing, right? Because on the container, which is glass, I like that too. It also says but first coffee, so that's super cute. Let me do the math and see how much this whole box was worth. Let me try to do it in my head. I'm gonna get a calculator. Okay, so I just used a calculator to tally up the worth of my box, and if things were like $14.99, I just rounded up to $15 just for ease. And the value of my box was $279. Like, that's crazy. I got that for $50, and I get to try some amazing things that I would not normally buy. So I was editing this video, and then I realized that I failed to mention or explain this box as best as I could have. In every fall 2018 box, you get the towels, you get the shower gel, you get the beauty blender, and then you also get the Glam Glow masks, which I didn't bring to show. And then all the other items, you can either get like an either or. There's sometimes at least 2 or 3 options. I kind of explained that a little bit whenever I mentioned with the coffee maker, you either got a French press or a teapot. So that's like an example of one of the options. Another thing, I don't want to like complain. I really am glad that I got the box, but one of the options that you got is you either got the umbrella or you got Bluetooth headphones. And I really wish that I would have gotten the Bluetooth headphones because I've wanted Bluetooth headphones for the longest time. And I know I could just buy some, so I might buy the ones that are mentioned in this box. but I kind of wish I would have gotten the headphones instead of the umbrella, but the umbrella is nice to have as well. I would really highly recommend FabFitFun. I will leave a link to it down below. Make sure you check that out. If you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also with subscribing, make sure you hit the bell notification so that way you'll get notified whenever I post. I post beauty videos every Monday, Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next one.